on the train table. On the train table. Look at it on the train table. Choo choo.
Here it comes again, Sammy. She caused a derailment.
She caused. And she ran all the wheels. I'll fix it on the other ones. There. I need to fix the wheels. There.
Okay. There you go.
She got run over. No, she said that trap. She's gonna be on here on the train good. Okay?
Okay, just watch. See what happens this time. Sammy, here it comes.
The wheel slide get on the grass. We're going falling. Look at go on the grass. Go on here. That's grass. That's grass. This is grass here. This is grass. So down to the brick. That's this tray. Where's Sammy? Why is she not going to get on track?